बैंकिंग करने से पहले ये 5 चीज़ों को बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से जान लें, ताकि आगे चल के आप कोई मिस्टेक ना करें या इन योर एग्ज़ाम और वेन एवर यू गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू। आई थिंक ये 5 बेसिक बैंकिंग टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज़ कोलैटरल. So what is collateral? So collateral is nothing but any security that is provided to the bank in exchange for a loan is known as collateral. A collateral can be in the form of land, gold, etc. This is called a secured loan and is less risky than an unsecured loan for the lender. In case of secured loans, the lender may auction off the collateral if the borrower fails to pay off his or her loan. मतलब कि अगर आप फेल हो जाते हो अपना लोन चुकाने में, तो बदले में आपसे या तो लैंड, गोल्ड एक्सेट्रा कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो है वो बदले में जो है वो बैंक इन एक्सचेंज लेगी. दैट इज़ नोन एज कोलैटरल. Second comes APY. What is the full form of APY? Now APY is again your annual percentage yield, which says that if a person, any of the person who is getting the interest, means basically it is the percentage of interest that you gain on interest every year, in excluding compound interest. This is the same as annual percentage rate. Next, talk about bank ombudsman. Now this is a very very important term for all the people, those who are wanted to give their banking exam. Ombudsman ये एक ऐसा अथॉरिटी है, वी कैन से अ बैंक ओम्बड्समैन इज़ द अथॉरिटी टू लुक इनटू कंप्लेंट्स इफ़ इन केस अदर मोड्स ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स हैव नॉट वर्कड आउट फॉर द कस्टमर. मीन्स जितने भी ग्रीवियंसेस है वो सारे जो है वो रिपोर्ट करते हैं अंडर बैंक ओम्बड्समैन. Next comes microfinance. Now microfinance are small loans that are provided to the poor in urban, rural and suburban parts of the country in order to help them raise their income level, is known as microfinancing. Last but not the least comes plastic money. Now what is plastic money? See, again these terms are very very important for each and every candidate to understand when you are opting for the banking exam. So when I talk about plastic money, it's not that plastic, but yes, it's that amount which cannot be retrieved at a very easier rate, at a very easier interest rate. So जब भी मैं प्लास्टिक मनी के बारे में बात करूँ तो it depends upon the asset, कौन सा asset है. So basically it is a reference to currency used by individuals other than hard cash. Mostly it is used to refer to debit and credit cards. So ऐसे ही और interesting videos जानने के लिए do not forget to subscribe our channel, that is B Educare Classes. Our branches are in Ghatkopar, Dadar and Dombivli. Yes, and thank you so much. Happy learning. Banking